Hi and welcome back to Nisha's art tutorial. I am drawing a cat today. This is my next tutorial and this time it is different from the previous tutorial. So previously I used circle to draw the cat. Today I am using magical number. Any guesses? Can you see anything? Well, it is 61. I am using magical number 61 here to draw this cat. It's very simple, quick. Why I am doing these kinds of tutorials? You must be wondering why. So the reason why is that I am trying to make art drawing playful, fun. You know, when you see numbers, you think of not just numbers but something else out of it. That's why this tutorial is there. And that's why I'm working on it, so that it becomes easier for you guys to come up with something, you know, from numeric numbers. Sometimes numeric numbers are boring. Addition, subtraction, all this are sometimes boring. I don't want to do it. So what I do? I create something out of it. So that's art. And what supplies I'm using? I'm using an A4 size, 1/4 size of A4 sheet. Sketch pen, that's it. So to all my audience out there, I strongly recommend and suggest that you use pencil first and then switch to sketch pen for outlining. So I am starting the tutorial here. So the first thing is that I'm gonna draw number 61. 6 and 1. 61, right? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to define here. So this cat is a pet. So when I'm drawing it as a pet, I am putting a collar. Right? I'm putting a collar. Now nice. I could have made this little bigger also, but then it's okay. Now the pattern of the cat. 1, 2, 3. Now the tail of the cat. Okay, now the legs. So how I'm going to define the legs here? And this is the one in the front. See? This cat is sitting nicely. Now in the tail part, I'm going to add like this and just fill in. You must have seen, the students in my class must be already knowing this because I've done this with them already. But for the tutorial, I want to spread a word around kids to know that drawing is simple and you know anybody can do it. So that's why I'm repeating these tutorials here. So ta-da! This is the cat and we finished it less than 5 minutes. So you can see how quick it is. And cat, what sound cat makes? So the whole idea is that you enjoy your drawings, color it. So all the students do color it, send me the pictures and have fun drawing. And please make this a little bigger than the body. Mine is a little smaller. So this happens. So the other one was nice. So this had a big head. So this one was nice. So that's why I suggest don't use sketch pen directly. So you tend to make mistakes when you're using sketch pen like I did. Minor one, ignorable. And this is all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will forward this video to your friends and friends of friends, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.